Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we align multiple decorative shapes for a poster design. After selecting them, we use align center to gather everything to one axis. This immediately cleans up visual clutter. Then we apply distribute vertical to control spacing downward. Every shape node sits with equal distance between them. The poster begins to gain a strong structure field. Next, we use align horizontal center to finalize symmetry. Nothing feels off center to uneven anymore. The viewer's eye flows naturally through the selected elements. If the spacing feels tight, adjust the boundaries box. Photoshop rectangular distribution perfectly. This gives professional